This is an update on a few of the things we learned when we took our timeout trailer on a shakedown cruise. First, we learned that we really like our single burner stove. It packs light and you have good control of the flame, so cooking is very easy on it. We also decided it would be better to get a 5-pound refillable propane tank instead of using the 1-pound canisters. The 1-pound canisters cost $4 a piece at Walmart, so 5 of them is $20. Filling up that tank with 5 pounds of propane was $5.69, the big savings. Plus, the 1-pound containers you have to throw away. You're not supposed to refill them. We also found that the self-inflating sleeping pads was not a good choice. They're easy to roll out and set up, and they're very comfortable to sleep on, but they're very difficult to roll up, and it takes a lot of time to get them rolled up in the morning. So we switched, and we've got conventional air mattresses, and we bought an air pump to inflate them. And this little 12-volt air pump will inflate that mattress in less than a minute. So that's it for this update. Give us a comment, thumbs up. If you want to support the channel, go to the Amazon pages on my website. And I also thank everyone who's bought me a cup of coffee on buymeacoffee.com. In any case, I appreciate your positive comments and support, and I'll see you in the next video.